shining. It is the night of the Christmas birth. Long lay the world in sin and sorrow pining, till he appeared and the soul felt his word. A tree of hope, the very soul rejoices, for young breath breaks a new and glorious morn. On your knees, oh heed the angel voices all night divine, all night when Christ was born, all night divine, all night divine. Made by the light of faith serenely beaming, with glowing hearts by whose cradle we stand. So led by light of stars sweetly gleaming, yet come the ones that from holy land. The King of Kings, like the lowly mansion in all our trials, born to be a friend. All on your knees, oh heed the angel voices all night divine, all night when Christ was born, all night divine, all night divine. Truly he taught us to love one another. His law is love and his gospel is peace. Change shall he break for the slave brother, and in his name all oppression shall cease. Sweet hymns of joy in grateful chorus praise, let all we hear praise his holy name. On your knees, oh hear the angel voices all night divine, all night when Christ was born, all night divine, all night divine. Long time ago in Bethlehem, for the Holy Bible says, Mary, boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. While shepherds watched their flocks by night, they saw a bright new shining star. They heard a choir singing loud, the music seemed to come from afar. How come hear the angel sings a newborn king today? And man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Trumpet sound, the angels sing, listen to what they say, that man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. By and by they found a little near the table, all forlorn, and in a manger cold and dark, Mary's little boy was born. Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible says, Mary's small child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a newborn King today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Trumpet sound and angels sing, listen to what they say, that man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible says, Mary's small child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. While shepherds walk their flocks by night, they saw a bright new shining star. They heard a choir singing loud, the music seemed to come from afar. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a newborn King today, and man will live forevermore because of Christ.